In this video, I will show you how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. Open Windows Search and type Task Manager, then click on it. Go to Details tab, find steam.exe, right-click on it and select End Task. Confirm by clicking and process to close all Steam services. Then open Windows Search and type Steam. Right-click on Steam and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. In Steam, click Steam at the top left corner and select Settings. Navigate to Storage tab. Select the drive where the game is installed. Click on the three-dot menu and select Repair Library. Click Close when done. Then open Steam Library and find the game with the issue. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete. Now check whether the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Navigate to the Downloads tab. Click Clear Download Cache and then click Confirm. Steam will log you out. Log back in and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. Now you know how to fix missing files privileges on Steam. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.